Hey, how you doing? David Wells, CFO with Truth and Equity. You can find out more about credit line banking at truthandequity.com. What is credit line banking? It's a banking system that we help you set up so you get more out of what you own and what you earn. You could get 100% use of your money by not using conventional practice, checking and savings. When you use checking and savings, the money just sits there idle. It's not doing anything when it could be working for you. So with credit line banking, which we help you set up at truthandequity.com, you can test this formula for yourself by plugging in your numbers and getting a very specific result. And what is that result? Balance divided by surplus divided by 12 equals payoff in years. So in this case here, I have a $200,000 debt balance. It could be mortgage or a combination of things. It could be a higher number, it could be a lower number. I just use 200 because it's easy math. 200,000 divided by 2,000. That's your surplus. Let's say you take home $6,000 and you spend $4,000 to service your debt. Credit cards, electric bill, water bill, everyday stuff. So 6,000 minus 4,000 is 2,000. That's where I get the surplus in this equation. $200,000 divided by $2,000 equals 100. What is 100? That's months. Okay? So $200,000 could be paid off with $2,000 in 100 months. Simple math. What is 100 divided by 12? 8.33 years. So you could have $200,000 paid off in 8.33 years and still have use of this money. With credit line banking set up properly with either a first lien or second lien HELOC or even a PLOC, which is a personal line of credit, you can achieve these results. Go to truthandequity.com, learn how credit line banking can work for you by setting up this simple banking system. We've been doing this for 15 years. We have thousands of clients all over the country. We have a A+ rating at the BBB, and you can contact our clients from our website. There's a page on our website where you can actually email our clients and get their feedback. You'll also notice that we have a 5-star rating with Trustpilot. We wouldn't get there if it wasn't for the achievements of people who have instituted this program for themselves. Try credit line banking, test your numbers, and find out your result at truthandequity.com.